Now we have understood what are the plugins, what are the general settings, all those basic activities about WordPress website. Now we will move on to understanding how we have to build and design a web page on WordPress website. That's about appearance, right? So here is on the left hand side, you have an column on an option called appearance. You'll have to click on that. Once you click on that, you will get to a page where there are some multiple themes that WordPress will by default provide you to choose one of them to start creating your own WordPress website. Now, there are many people who will be thinking like, I'm not actually satisfied with these particular things what WordPress has already provided me. So for all those people, all you have to do is just go on wordpress.org as soon as possible. Okay, here it is, wordpress.org. So now as soon as you come here, you'll have this option called as themes. Okay, once you click on themes, okay, so here is the complete theme directory with more than lakhs together of the themes which are already present for you. So and the good news is each and every theme is completely free of cost. Okay, so once you come over here, so here are some of the featured themes, then the popular ones, then latest ones, and the feature filter. Okay, and as soon as you come here, you still want to search related to the themes that you want to do. Digital marketing. Okay, so here are the themes that you want to use for your site. Okay, so just click on download and then just reinstall them on your WordPress engine. Okay, so this is how we are going to use the WordPress themes for building your free WordPress website without writing a single line of code. Okay, so now as we have come here, as I have already used this particular theme, so I'll not be creating any other site for you. I'll just be guiding you on how to do it. As soon as you come over here on theme section, you'll have to choose either of the one, or you have to choose by directly going to wordpress.org. Okay, once you are done with it, you please choose that particular thing and then click on customize. Once you click on customize, let's see what is the next thing that we have to do. To just give you a note, this video is going to be as little as a very long ones, as there are many works which we need to do on appearance work, right? Because it's a designing thing that we are doing it currently. Okay, now so it will open up with this particular page. So as you see, this is a by default editor of how actually WordPress has designed its theme layout to design your WordPress pages, right? So as I have seen that there are many bugs and issues that still WordPress has not yet solved for these tools, that how you can actually design your WordPress page. So what I recommend is, once you create your theme or use one of the theme, make sure that you start using Elementor Builder to build your pages on WordPress website. Okay, so as you have already installed Elementor plugin, I hope you have installed it. Once you installed it, please make sure that you have activated that particular plugin. Okay, what all things that you have to do is, you have to just go on pages and then all pages or add new. Okay, first let us go on all pages itself. Okay, so here is that particular section. Okay, and you can see that there is an option called add new, right? Click on add new. So now we are redirected to a page where we are going to create a new page for our website, right? The first page that you need to create is home, right? Home. Now, once you are done with home, writing the title of your home page, you can see that there is something called as edit with Elementor. This will only be visible only when you have installed Elementor page builder plugin as well as activated it without fail. Okay, so as you see, here are the remaining options that you need to do it. Okay, then what should be the URL? That will be by default showing it over there. Then set featured image. Click on set featured image. Then you will get to see what are the images that you have already installed or uploaded on your media library. If you want to upload, click on upload files, select files from your PC or laptop, and then you can actually select all your files from the things. Once you select the image, you'll have to select it. Then what are the template that you want to use? Make sure that it's by default template with full width and then add to any shared buttons whether you require it or not. On depending upon that, you will have to do it. Okay. Once this is done, okay, then head on to saying that edit with Elementor. Okay, once you click on edit with Elementor, I will just show you how you have to do it. All pages. Okay, click on edit with Elementor. So it will take some time to open up with the plugin, as plugin has to activate and it has to open the page builder tool for you, right? So here is our builder, right? So these are the advertisements that I have by default used it, like AdSense, which I will be using on my site. That's not an issue. Okay. So now here is the place where it will open it in this particular way. Okay. Now what you have to do is, these are all the elements that Elementor Builder will provide you to design a site, and these are the global settings that you want to use for everything. Okay, so here is the three dot line which you can use as default colors, default fonts, color picker, global settings, dashboard settings, about, Elementor, finder, view page, and exit to dashboard. Okay, then after that, these are the settings to show you what are the different types of widgets that you want to use. Now let us say you want to put an inner section to it, or add something related to the structure that you want to use, that it's just a white structure, or two column structure, three column, four column, or single column with double width, or width, more width with single column. All these structures which you want to use, make sure that you use this particular structure. In that particular structure, you will have to go with elements, what is the size on default structure of all those things, then go with the style like border, shape divider, typography that you want to use. Then advanced section, you will get the margin, entrance animation, responsive, like whether it has to be custom CSS, all those things. After that, click on the section where you will get to all these elements of the section. Okay, then if you want to add image, you'll have to make sure that you will get this blue box being highlighted, only then you will have to add that image over here. Now if you want to change the image, you can even change it from here, or even you can change it from here. This is how you do it. Let's say you want to just delete this element, then click on X mark on that particular element. Okay, now again it will be deleting the whole thing. Make sure that again you add the structure over there. Once you have added the structure, again the same thing, repeat it. Text editor, video that you want to put, divider, Google Maps, whichever you want to put, you'll have to add. And in the same way, you'll have to continue to build your pages. So it's just like drag and drop the elements and start creating your site. For this to happen, the most important thing that you need to remember is, first draw a sketch on a rough paper on how you want to design your home page. Only then it will give you a complete clear idea on how you have to design your home page. Until and unless you will do a what do you say, a blueprint of your homepage that you want to design, you have a blueprint with you. Until unless you have a blueprint with you, will not be able to understand how you have to design your homepage. So it's better make a rough sketch on a on a single sheet, and then start designing that particular site or that particular page on WordPress. That's how you have to do it. Okay, so this is the way how you actually design a page on WordPress website. If you still have any doubts, you just have to send me a doubt on the doubts clarification window, and I will be clearing all your doubts with a special video that I can make it and you can send it for you. Okay, so let's catch up with the next video of understanding how to write a complete blog post with the complete SEO work that you have to do. Okay, so in the next video, see ya.